Hey guys, I'm just going to give you an update on some of the new farm items I've received. So it's a Model 1000 20S Grainstorm J&M cart that I bought. It was like $13. Three 1991 4760 John Deere tractors, which have the sound guard cabs. 2615 Legend Bush Hog Flex Wing rotary cutter, which has spinning blades under it. And I put ventilation wheels in the 8310 John Deere tractor they have. Frontier grain cart, and a Kinze 1050 row crop dual grain cart. So I will be doing reviews of those later. Okay guys, I'm going to try and do an unboxing video of the Spec-Cast Kinze 1050 grain cart. It's kind of fun to do this with one hand. Woo! It's nice. It's got a folding auger right there. It's got like mesh under there. It's pretty weighted down too. That's pretty great. Row crop tools. Awesome. Well, there's an unboxing of the Spec-Cast Kinze 1050 grain cart. So I'm going to try and do an unboxing of the Grainstorm J&M cart. If I can get this open. It looks pretty hard to open. Yep. This one's got a folding jack, auger at the corner, all kinds of little detail in there. I like the white wheels too, instead of the silver ones for the Frontier one. So there you go. There's an unboxing of the J&M 1000 Grainstorm cart. So here are my 3 grain carts that I have now. In the middle you see the Kinze 1050 grain cart by Spec-Cast. To the right you see the Frontier GC 1108 grain cart, and to the left you'll see my J&M Grainstorm Model 1000 grain cart. So there's the 3 that I have for now.